Oh my goodness, Piper. You sure do your job well. Yeah, even if that job is playing. Look at how much she shredded up that packing material. Wow. Yeah, you must have really been working at it to do that much. Oh, now she's just cleaning herself. She doesn't want to look like she worked as hard as she did to do all that. Yeah, look at this. Oh my goodness. Well, you surveying all your little pieces of packing material that you have now, huh? Yeah, we'll probably, yeah, like that one that you just touched. Yeah, we'll probably have to clean up some of those though. Yeah, and just keep the big piece. Otherwise, how am I supposed to vacuum in here, huh? You want to keep the office looking nice. Well, it looks like she's keeping herself looking nice right now. Yeah, that's what she does. Yeah, you don't get that pretty just sitting there, do you? You have to put a little work into it. Yeah, I think she was born beautiful, though. She doesn't have to do too much upkeep. Yeah, she just keeps herself nice and clean. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I guess you need a little bit longer to clean, huh? There, all done. I'll let you get back to enjoying your space there.